I'm about to cook. This is fish. It's mackerel. And this is chicken. I keep getting emails. This is a goosey. This is an onion. Not that big. My head's bigger. You also need this and more onions. I like onions. You also need this. It's very important. And salt. And thyme. And oregano. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm done and eating it, because I swear I've cooked this before online, and if you want to see in detail, you have to ask, and I'll do that like in a different thing. I'm just not really in the mood. I'm just in the mood to like show you what I want to show you, you know. Did I tell y'all I'm on a diet? I'm on a diet. For the next 3 weeks, I'm trying to see like what could happen from consistency, because I'm going somewhere and I want to look hot. You know? I'm just waiting for tea to boil and then we begin. Is it even going in? Looks like it is. Oh, here. I needed the pot to cook, so we have that now. We can begin. Good for the body, you know? It doesn't really taste nice though. I got 2 cups. Workout. The good thing about buying chicken from the African store is like it always comes very clean. You don't really have to do much, you know? I like that. 1 onion. It burns your eyes. 2 onions. Ugh. 3 onions. You see that one compared to these ones? So big. Now we cut it up. I'm only doing half and eating the other one. I'll eat this half with lemons. I show you guys. Very tasty. We're running out of minutes. Now I see the light in the sky. Oh, I show you guys the snow. My goodness. See that? The sky looks pretty though. But who wants to drive in that, you know?